If you do your own maintenance and repair, a good bike stand is essential. Here are some bike stand tips and hacks that you may find useful. First and foremost, always clamp the seat post itself, not the seat tube, not the top tube. The top tube is built to resist a number of different forces, but may not withstand the force of the bike stand clamp. And this is especially true of carbon fiber, where you may actually break the tubing itself. If you need to raise the seat so you have enough of the seat post to clamp, take a piece of tape, put it just above the seat post clamp. Now you'll be able to raise it, place it on your stand, work on the bike, and when you finish you can lower it right to the tape, center the seat, and you won't have to measure. If you have externally routed cabling, clamping the top tube can bend or damage the cable itself, so another reason for not clamping the top tube. As a protective measure, also make sure that the clamp itself is either rubberized or in this case has a rubber interior such that it won't scratch the seat post. If your seat post is either not rubberized or have a rubberized interior, you can take a piece of cloth as a part of an old dishcloth, wrap it around the seat post, and then lift your bike and clamp it. That should protect the post from being scratched. Finally, if you want to rubberize this, you could take an old mountain bike tube and stretch it over the clamp itself. Go ahead and cut the tubing. And do the same for the other side. Now we can lift the bike up, clamp it, and not worry about scratching the seat post. If you have other tips and hacks on using a bike stand, please comment below. Subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.